Okay. So as you can see, I got the knife tip under there. And making very limited progress. See if I can. You can see the witness mark is that light gray. Let's see, where am I? Whoop. There we go. That light gray strip that's normally underneath this thing. And I've been taking this and setting it in there like that and whacking it with the rock, trying to push this rim that way. We'll try and do that some more. See if I can't get something to happen. Let's see here. Put it in there like that. Try and hold it. That did nada. Okay.